Okay, it's Wednesday. We're getting ready for Mustang Week. Randall's strapping the car down right now.
Trying to.
I got these guys ready to go. We're bringing the pit box with us because we're gonna have most of the team there. Gonna make some changes to the car. Try to really get it dialed in for the bank at HMP. So it's super good opportunity there for testing for the year. And I'm just excited to have a good time. We made it! We had a 20-minute delay due to somebody else's car catching on fire, but we got turned around and back on road, only 30 minutes late, and we're here. Let's party, dude.
All right, guys, we are out at Mustang Week Day 3, hanging out with Chris Leonard Racing. He's about to go out and do some ride-alongs in the Pro Car, make sure everything's dialed in and ready to rock. Get some merch, get entered for this Mustang S197.
might start.
Is it dead?
Yeah, it just died on the bank. We were fast as though, boy.
That's what you get for talking shit about me, dude.
Dude, I had like a half a track on the guy, and the car died, and I still almost beat him.
Oh, wait, what were y'all doing?
The like spectator drags.
Oh.
Oh shit. My relay fell out. It fell out? Yeah. But where did it fall out to? See if she'll fire up.
How do you?
Oh, look at that. We got power on the thing now.
That's a good sign.
All right. Silly. Silly, silly, silly. I hate cars. Here it is. Fuck. Sitting in the door? Yeah. I sent her too hard into the corner, bud. we're done with Mustang Week. Everything went really good. We're still chasing some breaking up on the race car. I have a path forward for that, I think. We're gonna try a couple things and hopefully we can get it tested before round 1 of FD. But this thing's a champ, always does great, made me some money, and they're tearing this down, and it's just insane how much rubber all of us put down. And you can see it's just like thick. There's like an inch of rubber, and the guy's already gone over it a couple times. So tire pieces everywhere. So everybody had a great time. Everybody got super rowdy, and yeah, Mustang Week was always a blast. So make sure you come out next year to Mustang Week. We'll be here, and find us at other ride-along events. Come get a ride of the car. Check out chrisleonardracing.com. Get yourself some merch. Every $5 spent gives you an entry to the giveaway Mustang, and we'll see you later.